Hey guys, welcome to my math tutorial vlog, and today let's find the partial quotient of a number. This is much more easier than using the long division technique, which is time consuming. This partial quotient is easier and fun. Okay, let's start. Let's try 2,748 divided by 24. Okay, so my son calls this a big 7 because you can see it as a 7 in there. 6, 7. No, it's not 6, 7. Okay, let's estimate. So, what do you think? How many times 24 goes into 2,748? So let's try times 100. Okay, I'll try times 100. Okay, we're pretty close, 2,400. Okay, we can use times 100. We'll put it right here, times 100. And what is 24 times 100? That is 2,400. And then we will subtract. Okay, bring down 8, 4, 3. Okay, now we are down to 348. From 2,748, we are now 348. So it's easier for us to divide. So how many times 24 goes into 348? So let's try 10. Okay, 10. 24 times 10, that is 240. Okay, we're pretty close. Let's try times 10. That is 24 times 10, that is 240. Let's subtract 8 minus 0, 8. Bring down 0 and 1. Okay, now we are down to 108. Our dividend is now 108. So how many times 24 goes into 108? So let's try. What do you think? It's not 10. Let's start 5. Okay, 24 times 5. Okay, so this is 20, 10 plus 200, 120. Oh, too much. So let's try 4. 24 times 4, that is 16. 4 times 2, 8 plus 1, 9. Okay, this is not close. So now let's do times 4, which is 24 times 4 is 96, right? And then let's subtract 8 minus 6, 2. 10 minus 9, 1. Okay, so we are now in the number 12. Okay, so 12 will be the remainder. So we stop dividing. And now we are going to add all of this. Okay, so we're putting it right here. 100 plus 10 plus 4. 4, 1, 1. So the answer is 114. We'll put it on top here, 114. Okay, remainder 12. Okay, so this is now our partial quotient. It's easy. Okay, that's it.